10 years ago, India imported almost everything that mattered in defense: fighter jets, artillery systems, radars, missiles, warships. But you know what? Today, the story is starting to look very different because India's defense production has just hit an all-time high. And for the first time, ladies and gentlemen, the private sector is becoming a meaningful part of that very story. But before we dive deep, I would please request you to, well, like, share, subscribe as proud and responsible citizens, and then, of course, motivate us as Front Page to bring you these kinds of wonderful developments because, well, every time you like, share, subscribe, it motivates us to keep you ahead of the curve. Now that you have, I thank you for doing so. Here is, of course, that very story which makes us all extremely proud. India's defense production reached a record 1.78 lakh crore rupees in fiscal year 2025-26. That's up from 1.54 lakh crore rupees last year, a growth of nearly 16% in just 1 year. But the bigger number is actually hidden in the long-term trend. Back in fiscal year 2020-21, India's defense production stood at around 84,600 crore rupees. Today, it's at 1.78 lakh crore rupees. That's, I believe, a 110% increase in just 5 years. Now, if we go back even further, in fiscal year 2013 and 14, India's defense production was just at 43,700 crore rupees, which means India has nearly quadrupled indigenous defense production over the past decade. And that is exactly what the government has been trying to achieve through the Atmanirbhar Bharat push. Now, for decades, India was one of the world's largest arms importers. The challenge was quite obvious. Every imported platform meant dependence. Dependence on foreign suppliers, on foreign spare parts, on foreign technology. And dependence, of course, during geopolitical crisis. The goal was build more in India, buy more from India, export more from India, and gradually reduce reliance on overseas suppliers. Now, what's particularly interesting is who is driving this growth. Traditionally, India's defense manufacturing ecosystem was dominated by government-owned entities. Now, we are aware of that. That remains actually true today as well. Defense, public sector undertakings and other public sector entities account for roughly 76% of total production. But you know, the private sector is starting to grow faster, which is so encouraging. Private companies now account for 24% of total defense production. That actually doesn't sound that great in terms of the context of things, but it represents an all-time high and translates into roughly 42,000 crores worth of defense production from private industry alone. So I'll hark and take your attention back to the earlier figure. If you remember when I was talking about 2013-14, where it was about 47,000 crore rupees. So we are almost touching that. Remember? Well, anyway, that's what I thought I'll kind of give you as a context. Now, just a year ago, that share stood closer to just 22%. I'm talking about the private company share, which means India's defense ecosystem is gradually opening up. And this is where the story starts to become even more significant. Because defense manufacturing isn't, well, just about tanks, missiles or fighter jets. It's an industrial multiplier. Now, when a country builds defense system, it also starts to build electronics, semiconductors, material science, precision engineering, software, AI systems, communication networks, advanced manufacturing capabilities, which is just such a wonderful plethora of a playground. And imagine the jobs. Anyway, the technologies developed for defense often tend to kind of spill over into civilian industries as well. That's one reason countries like the United States, Israel, and China have historically used defense spending as a catalyst for broader industrial development. There's another number that deserves attention. India's defense export hit a record 38,424 crore rupees in fiscal year 2025-26. Just a few years ago, well, the idea of India becoming a meaningful exporter of defense equipment sounded, well, quite ambitious. Today, Indian-made systems are reaching dozens of countries. Missiles, artillery systems, naval platforms, surveillance equipment, electronic warfare systems, and increasingly advanced defense technologies. That paradigm shift is subtle but very important. India is moving from being primarily a buyer of military hardware to becoming a supplier. And that's where the next phase begins, because defense production is now becoming an economic opportunity. The global defense market is expanding rapidly. Europe is increasing military spending. The Middle East continues modernizing its forces. Asia is investing heavily in defense capabilities, and governments everywhere are looking for reliable suppliers outside of traditional defense powers. India wants a share of that market, and why not? Defense Minister Rajnath Singh called the latest figures evidence of an expanding defense industrial base. And whether you're looking at production, exports, private sector participation, or indigenous capabilities, the trend is very difficult to sweep under the carpet. The ecosystem is getting larger every year. And now, of course, here is the front page take. The headline is that India's defense production has hit a record 1.78 lakh crore rupees. But you know, the bigger story is what that number is truly representing. A decade ago, India was largely a customer in the global defense market. Today, it's becoming a manufacturer, an exporter, and a competitor. The real question is no longer whether India can build defense equipment. The question is whether India can become one of the world's major defense manufacturing powerhouses. Because if production has already quadrupled in a decade, the next decade could be about exports. And that's where this story gets very intriguing. And of course, we'll be tracking it right here on front page. But till then, we would love to hear from you in the comments below. What a wonderful, momentous development according to me. What are your thoughts? Please do let us know. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think IM.